Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, and I am not a professional makeup artist. However, I can help you to become super skilled thanks to this awesome brush set from Oscar Charles. So it comes with every style of brush that you could have ever been looking for. The brushes are made from a synthetic material, but they're super soft. The set also comes with a silicone brush cleaner as well as a makeup sponge, so you really have everything that you need with this kit. The case that it comes in would be super awesome for traveling, and I like putting it out on my vanity table so that I can have all of my brushes ready for me. The brushes are a long handled style brush, so I really like that I can apply a light amount of makeup or go a little bit deeper if I hold my hands in a little bit closer to the brush. All of them have a beautiful black end with a white fringe tip, and you can see the quality of the brushes. They're really well made. They're really awesome because for someone like me who is really not a makeup artist, I really need all the help I can get. So I love having all the variety of brushes. The brushes are very easy to clean thanks to that silicone makeup holder, and I found that they dried well and they felt just as soft after washing them with a little bit of brush cleaner and water. It will really make you feel like you've upped your game when it comes to all of your makeup application, and they even included a book to help you so that you can gain even more skills in your makeup expertise. I say go with this brush set. You'll be super happy and feel really pretty every time you're able to use it, or you can gift it to someone else who may benefit as well. And that's my point of view.